I'm gonna make this real easy for you. This is the gift everyone wants under the tree this year. Charter Club women's slipper socks. Slipper socks, you ask? I'm glad you asked about the slipper socks. Let's take a closer look. Oh, there they are. Those grippers. Can you see them? Those dots? Aren't they amazing? What else are they gonna invent next? These are so warm and comfortable. Coziest slipper socks I've ever felt in my life. It's lovely. The grippers means no slip when you're walking. What a concept. I love you, slippers. I love you, slipper socks. The texture chenille is so soft and cozy and warm. These are the thickest slipper socks I've ever felt. I wish you could feel them. It's amazing. These slipper socks come in small, medium, and large. They're made out of 100% polyester. And the shupa lining is 100% polyester too. Take a look at that. It's like a cable knit pattern of goodness. They say, whoever they are, they're true to size. Okay, well guess what? There's more, because there's always more. We have the snowman knit with grippers. You want me to get that magnifying glass out? I'll show you. They're there. Can you see them? They're there. The reindeer. Can you see the reindeer? How cute he is. He's so darn cute. And then we have the pom-pom. Fairlees. Did you know Fairlees is a tiny island north of Scotland? I had to look that up. If you're curious, guess what? They're not from Scotland. They're imported from China. The Christmas Fair eye is made out of 93% acrylic, and the rest has to be polyester. Wash your slipper socks with light colors and in cold water. Tumble dry your slipper socks on low heat. So get yourself, or get 2 or 3, because they're so darn cute. I'll wear them all at once if I was an octopus. I just want to kiss them and hug them. This was the Charter Club Women's Slipper Gripper Socks. Make sure you're snuggling up this winter with the Charter Club Slipper Socks. Remember, they have grippers, total cozy chenille, totally machine washable, and 100% polyester. They're true to size. And always remember, happy shopping!